outside the Hyatt Regency Chicago downtown. There's Trump Tower, right on the river. If you haven't stayed here, you've got to book a trip. I don't often get to tour around the cities that I visit for when I go to client meetings, but Chicago is definitely on the top of my list. This is probably the funnest place I've been able to go to this year.
Posey, is Daddy coming home?
Cookie!
What's he gonna bring you?
Cookie!
Are you so excited?
That's the guy.
Should we go look for him?
Yeah.
You think he's coming?
Hi.
We should hide?
Yeah.
Shouldn't we go look out the window for him? Okay, go see.
Look, hi.
Go look, peek out the window. Look like this, see? Dad, are you here? You see him?
Yeah.
He's here? Is he bringing candy canes?
So every time Nick goes on a business trip, he always brings Cozy a treat, and yep, she wants candy canes this time because she wants to burp. So we are just waiting here for him to get back. My sister picked him up for us, which was super nice of her, and we're just waiting.
Are they here?
Hi. Hi. Well, should I give you a hug? Come and give me a hug. Do you like my coat? Black.
My black coat.
Does Daddy have a new coat?
I do.
We go inside.
Hi.
Go.
Yeah.
Cozy, ask Daddy if he has something.
Let's see.
See.
Oh, you're so excited.
Let's
Okay.
see. Let's see. Oh, what's in the bag? Oh. And if you don't like them, Mike and eggs. That's it.
Cookie.
You want one?
You please.
Yeah.
Can I see, Mommy?
I can
Go eye, Mommy.
close my eyes.
Pick one.
Can I look?
Yeah.
What? Gotta chew it.
So I got Desmond some new shoes. It's his very, very, very first pair ever, and we finally got them because he's walking now. And so anytime I take him to the park, he has trouble like walking on the little wood chips. So we finally got him some shoes, and I just put them on him. He doesn't like them, and he won't walk. It's super funny. Did you get some new shoes? Can you walk for us? Those are some cute shoes. He acts like I put like grenade bombs on his feet and he won't walk on them. Oh, there he goes. You can do it, Desmond. Walk, Desmond, walk. Good job. Nope. We're babysitting George today. George, how big are you? So big. Can you stomp, stomp, stomp? Good job. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. He'll go for Cozy's hair. Great motivation. Good job, Desmond.
Take him out there.
Hello, everybody. It's our date night.
Date night.
So the kids are with Ashley and Dallin, and I don't think we've been on a date in forever. We're driving down the strip. We have no idea where we want to eat. We always argue. So Nick just ends up saying, go wherever the heck you want. So that's what we're gonna do. So we are in Santa, Utah right now. Here it is. super busy here, and we're just driving down this strip, and there's tons of restaurants everywhere. There's like a million, so that's always bad because I can never decide what I want to eat. We're deciding between a restaurant or just going to Costco and getting all their fun meals that they have. And then we would have leftovers. So it's really hard. And I had to return a shirt. Okay, literally like 2 seconds later and we decided we are going to Olive Garden. It's our favorite. We do the soup, salad, and breadsticks, and we eat a ton, and Nick gets super gassy.
What? You?
It hurts both of us, but it's so worth it. I think it must be the salad. It's definitely the salad.
I like my new jacket.
Look at his new jacket. Here's some. Park over there.
Yes.
Welcome back.
We brought you treats. Hello. Good morning. What are you doing up so early? You want to see? Who's that? Who's that? Is that you? Yeah? Say hi. Boo. Yeah. The dinky. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. The dinky bum.